How to save with Uber promo codes or student offer. Hey everybody, if you'd like to save money on Uber rides, you can follow up the steps. So download and open up the Uber application on your device or go over and open up the Uber website on your screen. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now what you need to do is go to the account section in the bottom right corner, and from here just go ahead and select the option called wallet. And once you select wallet, you will be finding different options available. You may scroll down through the options and you should be finding a section called promotions, where you will be finding option called promo code. So you can look out for that option and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you just need to go ahead and enter the code without spaces. After that, tap on add, and that way you can just go ahead and utilize the promo codes or student discounts offer if you have one. And the thing is, if you're applying for student offer, ensure that you meet age requirement, which is 18 plus, and can verify your student status through platforms like Share ID. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this process if you would like to save with over promo codes or student offers. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.